shit, I'm about to die. Well, that didn't go as planned. Now it's his fucking turn to suffer. Now we're headed to another super steep hill on our property to race on, haha. Round 1. Oh fuck, I got a late start. Little fucker cheated. Round 2. You motherfucker. I'm about to crash the fuck out. Round 3. Round 4, except I go right into the thorn bushes. Fuck my life, final round. But you can barely see us and I fall into more thorn bushes and lose. I'm over this shit. Okay, I'm going the fuck inside, haha.